The founding principles of peaceful and confident parenting begin with the end in mind. Parenting is a demanding job, right? And raising a toddler even more. Right from the start of our pregnancy till the moment we finally have our little babies in our hands, we keep planning the best future for them, thinking of how great our kids will turn out, how we'll help them achieve their maximum potential and shine bright in this world. If someone from Mars were to see us, then they'd think, wow, such amazing people, planning years and years ahead for a little life they've just met. Then comes the first night with our tiny little sweetheart, and we're thinking, oh my god, just help me get through this night. What can I do to make her stop crying? Come colic, breastfeeding struggles, sleepless night after night after night, and we're like, I just want to get through this day. And that marks the beginning of our short sighted, day to day, moment to moment parenting. We quickly lose sight of our destination in the so called parenting journey, and that's not a cool thing. Imagine you're in a car. If you don't know where you're going, how will you ever get there? And how will you know when you get there? It's confusing, right? 20 years from now, how your child will turn out, you cannot control that, but you can definitely influence it. With every parenting decision you make, you are influencing your child's future in positive or negative ways. I want you to swell with pride when you look back on your parenting journey 20 years from now. And that is why I want to spend a few minutes with you helping you set a worthy goal for yourself as a parent. We are going to begin with the end in mind so that every few days, months, or years we can keep checking back with the end goal to know if we are on the right track, so that we have our eyes fixed on the right goals rather than constantly falling into the trap of competing and comparing our kids and ourselves with others. Now you're free to teach your child coding or make them painters or astronauts or whatever they like. But as parents who are raising the future, it is our responsibility to raise kids who are deeply aware of themselves, their strengths, their weaknesses, their potential, and their life goals. We want to raise kids who are capable of regulating themselves in healthy ways so that they don't overindulge in bad habits or do things that are bad for themselves or the society. We want to raise kids who are emotionally intelligent, resilient, content, and above all, humans with kindness and empathy. So important. We want to raise kids who are problem solvers and confident decision makers, who are capable of solving their own life's problems and creating marvelous solutions for the unforeseen problems of the future world. Throughout this course, we are going to be working towards this end in mind. All the approaches in this course work towards empowering you to raise self confident, emotionally capable, happy, and successful human beings. We are working towards adopting discipline methods that are gentle and effective. With the discipline strategies that you will learn in this course, you will realize that you don't have to resort to yelling, hitting, threats, or rewards to make your toddler have a bath or to get them out of the bathtub. You will learn gentle, respectful, and effective ways in which you can achieve your immediate goal of getting your child to willingly cooperate with you in the day to day little things. And this cooperation that comes from the connection you share with your child, this cooperation that you have earned, is far, far more valuable in helping your child do the right things for the right reasons in the long run, rather than when your child chooses to mindlessly obey or comply out of fear. And to add to it, the fear tactics constantly keep eroding your bond with your child. That's a big price to pay for instant obedience. Plus, by consistently following gentle discipline methods, you earn a mega bonus too. In each of those daily discipline moments, you have a chance to build your child's brain. That's right. Your child doesn't just get smarter with the activities he does or the toys he plays with. As you gently discipline your child with the whole brain or integrated brain approach that I advocate in this course, you will find opportunities to achieve your long term goal of helping your toddler exercise his problem solving skills, decision making, emotional regulation skills, and a lot more of these super important life skills that we know are much needed as adults for an enriching personal and professional life. Now take a second and remember the moment your eyes met the little angel you had just given birth to. Remember the bond you felt at that moment. Today, at this point, do you still feel the same about your child? What happened along the way? What tampered that connection? With everything you learn in this course, we will repair and restore that connection one moment at a time, one day at a time. We will bring back the love and joy into your relationship with your child. Your connection with your child is going to be at the center of everything. Not just because connection is the key to inviting cooperation from your child, but because when your little child is ready to take off as an adult, the bond that you nourished for all those years is what will keep you connected even when they'll not be as close to you physically as they are now. Isn't it a worthy goal to pursue? I think so. Above all, we are working towards creating a better version of ourselves, not just as parents but becoming better human beings. In my personal parenting journey so far, my biggest win has been my own transformation into becoming a more mindful, gentle, and nicer person than I ever was. It's not been easy, and the transformation is not complete yet. Every day, I'm chipping off parts of my own ego, parts of the parenting practices that I've inherited from the way I was raised, and I'm learning to see my child as a complete person whom I don't have to tame or control or make anything. All I need is to understand this little human and provide for what she needs in order to bloom and flourish into the unique individual that she is. In this course, one of the most important things you will learn is how to stop being reactive and how to start being responsive. How to be more intentional with your parenting in the little moments and make conscious decisions based on principles you've thought about and agreed on beforehand, rather than reacting mindlessly out of your emotions in the heat of the moment. I can promise it's hard work, but as you master it, it becomes easier to respond mindfully. And more than anything, you will start to feel much better about yourself as a parent, and you will need to go on those guilt trips less often. Finally, this is what we are not working towards. Let's be clear about that as well before we deep dive into the meaty parts of this course. We are not working towards perfection. We are imperfect humans raising imperfect kids. Our children don't need perfection from us. All they need is our unconditional love, care, and guidance. We are not working towards zero tantrums or zero emotional breakouts. As long as your child is human, she will have emotions and she will express them the way she can as per her age and stage. We are working towards teaching our toddlers that all emotions are okay and that they can learn to manage and express those emotions in healthy ways. We are not working towards making them obedient and compliant good boys and girls. We are working towards creating a space where our kids can willingly cooperate with us. We are committing ourselves to our children, promising to guide and support them for years till they feel confident enough to leave our side and flourish to become whoever it is they wish to become or do what they know is best for them and the people around them. We are not working towards learning magic words or magic tricks that will make our toddlers act the way we want. Let's be clear, there is no instruction manual. That's why each child has been assigned to a human like you who can love, care, understand, and respond as per the child's unique needs. We are also not working towards fixing our child. We are aiming at understanding our child better, loving them unconditionally, and also helping them develop valuable life skills that will help them succeed as independent individuals. Of course, I'm here to give you a toolkit that will help you in this journey. I will tell you exactly what to say and what to do in all of your daily parenting struggles, right from managing tantrums to getting a child to brush or eat or sleep. But you, the parent, is the best judge of which tools suit your child and the situation you're in. Throughout this course, we will keep practicing how to put the tools into action so you will feel well equipped to confidently face real life situations with your toddler and respond better and bring back the peace and joy into your and your child's life. In the next lesson, I'm going to give you some special hats that you need to wear as you juggle the curveballs your toddler keeps throwing at you. See you there.